Everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a thread piping without changing your foot. If you want to give a very beautiful neat finish to your neckline, you have to change your normal foot into a zipper foot. So today in this video I'll be showing you how to make this neckline without changing the zipper foot. So let me show you how to do that. So I'm taking a bias strip of fabric and I have joined together to make a long strip of fabric like this. So now I'm just going to fold the one side of this bias strip and I'm going to sew that. Okay, just like that I'm going to sew the one side of this bias strip. So this is my neckline, and now I'm matching the raw edges together. That is, my neckline raw edge and my bias strip raw edge should match together, and now I'm just sewing on top of that. So make sure that you sew on the exact margin, and it can be any neckline. So I'm just taking a basic U-shaped neckline and I'm sewing the raw edges like this. So once it's done, I'm just making some notches all around, and now after making the notches, I'm just going to use a rope like this, and I'm going to conceal that underneath. And make sure that you keep the rope underneath the fabric and you conceal the rope with the bias strip like this. See, just place the rope underneath and you're going to fold the bias strip on top of that, and you're going to sew like this. So to make this process, you now want to change the normal foot to zipper foot. So just like that, place the rope underneath and fold the fabric on top of that, and you're going to sew on top like this. Okay, it just gives a very beautiful and neat finish, and this how it's going to look. Very simple and very easy to make. And little by little you're going to insert the rope underneath the fabric, and you're going to fold the bias strip on top of the rope, and you're going to sew at the exact margin like this. Going to be the end result of the neckline, and you can see how beautiful it is. So in my previous video I showed you how to make an invisible piping, and this is the piping done without the zipper foot, and it just came out absolutely beautiful. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to hit on the subscriber button below, and don't forget to hit on the thumbs up below this video. See you next time with a different kind of style. Take care. Bye bye.